Hey, I'm Ruby, a game developer that is also known online as ploopploop. I've got roughly 10 years of experience with both Unity and C#, and I've linked some of my recent works down in the description box below. The reason that I'm starting this series is to help out both new and experienced developers with certain skills that I've learned, as well as introducing maybe new people to some of the packages that Unity offers. There will be various versions of the tutorials that I'll be making, and the YouTube versions will always be free. They might contain ads and they might contain sponsorships. Those videos will be a max of 5 minutes in length. And each tutorial will start with showing how difficult the topic will be, as well as how important the topic will be. After that, it will show the final result, and the tutorial will begin, so you can fully know what to expect. Next to my tutorials, I will also be launching a Patreon that has 4 tiers, and each tier will give you access to benefits. Tier A will contain all of my free videos that I have across my socials. Those will be ad-free, they might still include sponsorships. Tier B will have all of the previous benefits, and on top of that it will give you access to extended tutorials. Extended tutorials are videos where we will be covering the subjects from our free tutorials, but we'll be making everything from scratch. So while we are creating those stuff, we will also be looking at various methods of implementation, and I will give you a lot more explanations about why certain things are done in a certain manner. Tier C will give you access to all of the previous benefits, and on top of that it will give you access to the source files used in the extended tutorials. It will also give you the full project version that you can download and use at your own leisure. Reselling those project files are not allowed, however you are allowed to use them in your own commercial products. Tier D will be released in the future, and it will give you access to all of the previous benefits. On top of that, I will be planning to release some packages in the Unity Asset Store, and Tier D will contain those packages as well. Now, I've got my own list of topics that I'll be covering in my tutorial videos, and I can understand it if you have a topic that you'd like to see covered. Feel free to leave those as suggestions in the comment sections, and if you're lucky I might cover it. All in all, I hope that these videos will be of great benefit to you. I can understand how overwhelming Unity can be if you are new or a beginner. And as an experienced person, I also can understand that there are still some packages out there that you might not be aware of that Unity has to offer. These videos might be able to give you a little help in order to get started with those.